What is up, guys? It is Cars Across Texas here, and we're out at Cole's Crossing Cars and Coffee. It's a new meet. I haven't been here before. I think it's fairly recently started up, but I already see some cool stuff ahead of me, so let's check out the show, guys. Right off the bat, we're hit with a pretty decent selection of supercars. We got the Performante, Huracan, nice 488. That's pretty wild. R8.
I was like yelling at some dude over there.
The red stripes, red wheels. Y'all like this? Not bad. We got this guy from Town Lake Cars and Coffee on the ADV1s.
Actually, this is the ADV.
My friend's cars here. He bought the 570. He got the wife from the California. This 570 is pretty crazy though. Completely retuned with a Fab Speed straight pipe.
What color you gonna get when you get big?
Red.
What's up, man? Yeah, I like this 488. Looks like it's on some HREs. Very nice. Then we got the SV here. Now this is one. This is a different one, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I've seen him. Oh, they're both his. I've seen these cars around. He lives in the neighborhood behind me. Yeah, so these two cars are owned by the same guy. I thought it was the wide SV we always have at shows, but it's a little bit different. It's pretty sick. We've got a bunch of AMGs here. We've got the E63, then we got the CLA, a C63 Edition 1. Now this has a really nice stance to it. I'm not sure if that's an aftermarket suspension, but that looks really nice. Got a slammed CL63, it looks like. I think it's CL, I don't really know. The older Mercedes. We got a GTR. Some other cool Mercedes.
That's the owner that he brought.
Now over here we got the Viper ACR and the GT350R. I'm very curious, what do y'all think? Leave a comment down below. Would you take the Viper ACR or the GT350R? That is a tough one for me because I do like the GT350 sound better, but the Viper is a Viper, man. It looks so aggressive and mean. Look at that. I got the E34 M5, very clean. I really like these old boxy styles on the old BMWs. Plus you got the V8 in there, sounds pretty good. Then right next to it, we have the new M5, full bolt-ons, not 700 horsepower, so very nice.
I'm not doing that right now.
Got the Gen 5 Viper in almost every one of my videos. It still looks very nice. He always does some pulls for us. We got the old C3 Corvette with probably the best plate in the whole parking lot. Old dude. It's amazing. And this is a beautiful engine compartment. Wow. This is immaculate. We got the old rat rod here. Look at this. This thing's pretty crazy. Got a GTR here. Some very nice wheels. I like that a whole lot. The old school big body. Got the blue F-Type R. Very clean indeed.
I like how they did the Chevy logo.
Now, should I get one of these? You could start getting these for like 40 grand or so.
What year model's the one that you're looking for?
You can get one of these, or you can get a C6 Vet. Leave your other suggestions down below, guys. What would you like to see on the channel? Now, we got two BMW 1Ms here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, these are very rare, like one of 5 or 6,000, something like that. All I know is you see a ton of M3s and M4s driving around, but you never see these. He's even got the chassis number on his plate. Now the AMGs have definitely shown out in numbers today. This is kind of cool. Got the wide body CL63. Now what do y'all think about the C7? It's definitely built. Got some red Forgiatos on it. I don't know how I feel about the rims, wheels, whatever you call them, but it's definitely kind of nice. The color, at least. Go over here to the Hellcat, Double Trouble. Got some Ferratas on this one. This is really nice. I could also probably afford one of these. Would y'all like a Hellcat on the channel? It's cool to see the firing order of the motor right there on the V10 badge for the Huracan. Right below the big old V10. That Z06 makes the Hellcat sound like a V6, man. That thing is crazy. The bagged S5 rolling out. Sounds good. Rentec E63. Sounds so good. One. Husband and the wife. Yeah, old diesel Mercedes. That's what's up, man. Now the C10 truck is engine bay immaculate.
Let's hear this fast speed more.
We out here doing the most for shots, man.
Keep moving back. A little bit back.
This is all for the grain.
Back up some more. More.
Got the ZL1 California, Firebird, a couple other JDM cars, Genesis, and the 350.
You better make me look pretty.
And all sorts of other cool stuff on this side, man. It's quite the lineup here, a little bit of everything.